The best part is that Django has a batteries included philosophy, which really allows you to be more productive and build large-scale web applications. It's a real game changer for both front-end and back-end developers. I really believe in learning by doing, so that's exactly the approach that we're taking. You'll be building lots of projects and get to apply your knowledge each step of the way. Django is an open source web framework written in Python that allows you to build robust and scalable web applications. It's the web framework for perfectionists with deadlines. Employers want you to really understand Django's architecture and be able to build your own complete web applications so that you can take those skills directly into the real world as a developer. You won't be alone here either. I'm going to be with you each step of the way to answer any questions and help you push through any sticking points. I'm Vacchiano, and welcome to my Django Bootcamp course. I'll see you inside.